Hey guys, Steven here. Man, it is a nice day out. And yes, I need a haircut. It's March 2nd. And I really need a haircut. Just try to ignore the hair. So anyways, I got a little bit of a truck update. The 2022 F150 has been built. They're expecting it to arrive at the dealership between March 4th to March 10th. So yeah, the new truck could either be here at this house either next week or the following week, or later this week. I don't know. Probably either next week or the following week. And I also want to tell y'all a little story that happened to the current F-150 right over there. So let's get into that. So anyways, last Wednesday, actually, yeah, February 23rd, the roads were pretty treacherous in my area. So anyways, I was driving down to work. Start a 10-hour shift. Anyways, driving along the highway, there was a little bit of traffic because another vehicle had slipped off the road and into the ditch. And I was like, okay, this is gonna make me late. So what I did was I tried to call the job to tell them, hey, I was gonna be late, but I didn't know what would happen next. But anyways, I went past the wreck, started speeding up a little bit. I lost control of my truck and it started sliding, slid off the road, almost into the ditch. I'll show you a little picture. But yeah, slid off the road, literally almost into the ditch. My front driver's side tire was like right. It ended right where the hill was that led down into the ditch. So if that tire had gone any further, the truck would have actually been in the ditch. Cop pulls up behind me, asks me if I'm alright, as well as a guy in a older four-wheel drive Ford Ranger. Anyways, we hooked a trailer hitch, not a trailer hitch, a chain up to my trailer hitch, as well as the Rangers, and the Ranger pulled me out, which I'm pretty impressed with those Rangers now. We're gonna have to get one for this channel. But anyways, pulled me back onto the road. At the same time, I called in to work, told them I wouldn't be able to make it. And after that, I just went back home. Crazy thing is, I forgot what I was gonna say. Sun's kind of distracting me. Anyways, at least nothing got broken. I don't think anything did. Just got a few more weeks with that truck, then I'll be in my new truck. I'm just glad I didn't have it in the new truck. But at the same time, I would have had better control and better tires, obviously. Man. That's pretty much how I almost wrecked my truck. Anyways, I'm gonna go now. Please be sure to subscribe, be sure to thumbs up this video. The next video will most likely be the new truck. I'm excited. I really am. Because I've literally driven this truck for 4.5 years. Almost 5. Yeah. I'll just see you on the next one.